The wireless remote control, product PS51, is an energy-saving control switch to power electrical devices for a radio frequency up to 80 feet. It's great for home security and light control. It's recommended for indoor and outdoor use and also offers multiple RF channels. To operate the wireless remote control, simply plug in your lamp or device to the 3-prong outlet. Plug in the device into a standard outlet and operate any lamp or device by simply pressing on or off. Thanks for watching our video demonstration.